You all are fine at home. So today we are going to start with new and old names of the places in India. This is of lesson number 4, class 8th. Subject is general knowledge. Let us proceed with our PowerPoint presentation for the day. First question is Pondicherry, presently known as. The earlier name was Pondicherry, but right now there is a change in the recent name of Pondicherry. It is called as Puducherry. Second question is Indraprastham, presently known as. Earlier the name of Delhi was Indraprastham, but now it is known as Delhi. Third is Magdam, presently known as Bihar. Today the Bihar is the name of the state. Earlier it was called as Magdam. So what I try to do, the students, is I try to give you the history of Bihar as well. He established the Magadh Empire. Due to this bloody dynasty feuding, it is thought that a civil revolt led to the emergence of the Shishunaga dynasty. Bangalore, presently known as Bangalore. Earlier it was named as Bangalore, but now the present name of Bangalore is Bangalore. Pathaliputram, presently known as Patna. Earlier the name was Pataliputram, but right now it is called as Patna. Present name is Patna. Present name of Pataliputra is Patna, that is the capital of Bihar. Patna derives its name from the word Patan, which means port in Sanskrit. Kalingam, Orissa, presently known as Odisha. The spelling of Orissa has been changed and the pronunciation is called as Odisha. It is Odisha. Kashi, Banaras, presently known as Varanasi. The word Varanasi is consisting of the two words which are Varuna and Asi. They are the name of the two rivers of the city, and the main river of which the city is situated is Ganga. The new name of Banaras city is Varanasi. Prayag, Allahabad, presently known as Prayagraj. Prayagraj is one of the largest cities of the North Indian state of Uttar Pradesh in India. Although Prayagraj was renamed Allahabad in 1575, the name later became Allahabad in an anglicized version in Roman script. Karnavati, presently known as Ahmedabad. Ethnically sensitive examples include the proposals by the Bharatiya Janata Party to rename Ahmedabad to Karnavati and Allahabad to Prayagraj. Purushapuram, presently known as Peshawar. The modern name of the city Peshawar is widely attributed to the name Purushpura. Kamarup, Assam, presently known as Assom. It is ASOM. The Assam government has decided to change the name of the state of Assam. Minister of Planning and Development Himanta Biswa Samra said here on Monday. Kanchi, presently known as Kanchipuram. Kanchipuram, also known as Kanchi or Kanchipuram, is a temple city in the Indian state of Tamil Nadu in Tondai Mandalam region. Vadodara, presently known as Baroda. Vadodara is a large city in the Indian state of Gujarat. Madras, presently known as Chennai. In 1996, the government of Tamil Nadu officially changed the name from Madras to Chennai. Calcutta, presently known as Kolkata. On the 1st of January 2001, the West Bengal Chief Minister Buddhadev Bhattacharya announced that the state capital Calcutta has been officially renamed Kolkata. Thank you and have a nice day ahead. And please write down these answers in your GK book, so I will be coming more with the PowerPoint presentations for the next chapter. Till then, stay safe at home and take care of yourself and do your work in time.